Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Voss here, and this is kind of a different setup than you guys are used to. I am currently at my PC. Let's move this box. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys something really quick. So let me unplug this. Hold on, let me move this so you guys don't see my face. Alright, there you guys can see my screen and my flowers. Trying to... Okay. Out. Okay. So I'm not gonna move it back right now because I'm still gonna have to go back down there. But this is the keyboard I'm currently using. It's a really old Acer keyboard, membrane keyboard. It's really it's not that good. It's really flat, which I don't like at all. And plus, it doesn't light up. So this new keyboard I got is also a membrane keyboard, but it is a better type of membrane keyboard. So let's just unbox it here for you guys right now. I just dropped everything off my desk. Oh crap. Okay, hold on. Okay, that's fine right there. It all fell in the box, which is good. Okay, so this is the NPET G20 keyboard. It says Passion of Gaming and a whole bunch of Japanese stuff right here. NPET gaming keyboard right there. And on the back it says the choice of 20 million plus happy users, and then it just shows all the confidential stuff. This was like $30 on Amazon. So let's unopen it. I already opened it prior to this, so I already know what it looks like, but I'm just gonna give you guys my thoughts on it right now. So here's the keyboard right here. That's what the keyboard looks like right here. Oh crap. Okay, I'm already breaking everything. Let's plug this boy in right now. If I could undo this stuff. Oh my gosh, these are so annoying. But yeah, this is a LED light up keyboard, it's a gaming keyboard specifically. It is a membrane keyboard, but it's still really nice. I thought it was gonna be like a flat one. Oh, there's two of them. I thought it was gonna be more or less like a flat keyboard, but it really wasn't, and I was really happy with the results. I've been waiting to get this keyboard for about a week and a half now. I ordered it last Thursday. Yeah, last Thursday. So let's just throw that down there. Let it go down. Oh, this fit down there? I'm probably gonna... There, now well. Okay. Just feed it down there. Ooh, this. Okay. Now let's go plug it in. The lights are on. Okay. Down here it is very hot. Oh, wrong way. Is that even... Okay, there, it is plugged in. Okay, well, you guys just saw my face kind of right there, but... You could change... So, there's this on and off button right here. It turns off the colors. You can turn on the colors to... This one's probably my favorite. This is cool. Let's turn off the lights and see how it looks. Okay, that didn't really change anything because it's freaking bright outside. But yeah, it feels really good. I like it. I actually like it a lot. But yeah. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next week for the next video.